So today I'm going to show you draw you a picture that's from Laura's picture and like a dog. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start. So we're drawing. Do this. Okay. Now let's do this. Do like a little line, and then do this. Okay. Do this. Now you see now. Okay, I'm drawing from this picture, and I'm gonna show you the easy tutorial. So pick a point. You might not see the point, but draw like this. Kind of like this. Okay, so I'm gonna send this drawing to my friend Pragna and to her Pragna, so I can teach her how to draw good. Okay, draw this. Draw a little curve on there. Okay, looks like a wacky hair design. Do this kind of. It's like do like this. It kind of looks like you're doing part of it. Okay. Now you do this. And you do it from the face. And you just and we're gonna make a line that is here. Okay, here. Oh, wait a minute. I accidentally did wrong. Let me fix it. Okay, so it's supposed to be like good. Now you draw this. Now the face is from this corner. We're gonna erase this line that just came out. If you want, you could use this kind of eraser, like a corner eraser. Now, anyway. Make this face like this kind. Use your corner eraser. Good. Now, for the back, you do the ear again. Okay, guys, there's one thing I need to do. Don't draw like this fat. Okay? You draw this. You could draw a little smaller. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you do this up here. Here. Okay, okay, you might think that looks like a girl's head, but but we're drawing a little cute sheepish puppy dog. Okay, now let's start with the eyes. Oh, I forgot. It's okay, since you're making his head bottom, since you're making his head bottom, you don't have to be sneaky. Do this. It's okay. Now, you draw. Okay, we don't see the. Okay, so make a tiny highlight. Okay, cute. Okay, there's no. Okay, looks. Okay, now draw a little cute. Okay, this isn't a mouth. Okay. Aww. I'm erasing the line so that you don't see it. Okay, now the body. The body's starting from here. It's like making a lump. But it's not a camel. Like this. Kind of like a camel hump. Like this. Probably just your face. And they do, okay, like this. Draw this to be separated. Okay, so let's draw like the fur come. Okay, not from here, but from here. Okay, here, and then you do this. Make it the same. Make it like the same length between each other. Okay. Oh wait a minute, we forgot about this leg. Always have 4 legs. Otherwise, okay. Now, okay, looks very thin. Okay, the tail. We don't know where the tail is, but if you want, you could add the tail here, if you want. Okay, now we forgot this leg. It's like an oval. Nothing. Okay, so we're doing a candy sign like this. Just to give some space. Oh, okay. Okay. You could add some swirls in if you want. Actually, the swirls would. So, if you want to, okay, I'm sorry. This looks like kind of nice. Like peppermint details. Add some peppermint Oh, wait, mine's got messed up. Sorry. Okay, so I don't know what details, but after this drawing, you could tell me below about what you want to do. Okay, look like good. Yes, good. Okay, so we're gonna add the paws. Never forget the paws. I'm not do this. I'm not sure about this one. Well, don't do it because it doesn't show the feet. Okay, so I'm gonna get some color pencils so that you can know what to draw. Oh wait, these are my drawings I did. Okay, I'm just gonna come back soon. Okay, welcome back. So I got some 2 color pencils, only 2 you need. Okay, so you just need this pink one and this light aqua blue one. Okay, but before we do that, I almost forgot. We're gonna do the black. Okay, so we got our black. Before doing color, let's start doing the black so that it stands. So that it stands out. Well, we need details because when you're doing this, you won't be able to erase it. You could pause this video, and if I'm doing it slow so that I don't have to fast forward this part. Add a little this. Last detail. And done. Okay, now let's start coloring. So we're gonna color this whole thing. We're gonna color this thing. Be very slow. Be very slow. Oh wait, I forgot something. Okay, now let's back to this. I prefer you could choose a light pink or any pink, but you could, if you want, you could choose a magenta. But try using the magenta for light. Okay. Make sure you do not color candy. The candy is supposed to be white. Okay. Even this pink body. Here. Sorry about it, just I forgot to pause. Okay. I'm gonna do it lightly. There. Oh, it looks adorable. Okay, oh, right. Okay, so we're gonna need a little pink for shading. Okay, hey, give me a second. I'm just gonna get it. Okay, so I'm back, and I got this pink. Okay, let's shade it. It looks nice when you shade, but be very careful. Carving the lines too, so you get a fine grip look. On the nose part, on the nose and top, you could do dark. You can even on the body too. Okay, and the one last thing we're gonna do is do this. Make a shadow to look like it's on the ground. Okay, and the last thing, you can name her anything. Okay, I'm just gonna name her this, and okay, you're done. Okay, you can even try to color your candy magenta if you want. I'm gonna make it too pretty. Okay, so done. Okay, guys, so that's all my things I'm drawing for today, and so subscribe to if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Bye, guys, and see you in the next video. If I can make a new video. You can try following with me. Bye.